When using the TYBOX 33 without a programmer or timer, simply press the on-off symbol to turn the thermostat completely off, and once again to turn it completely on. When using the TYBOX 33 with a timer or programmer, simply turn the wheel clockwise to turn the temperature up, and anti-clockwise to turn the temperature down. This is all that is needed to adjust the temperature. You can use the mode button to adjust between comfort, frost setting, and setback. When using the TYBOX 33 in the comfort mode, you have the option to set a timed setback. Simply press the third button down. This sets the temperature to the setback temperature for a period of 8 hours. You can adjust the countdown timer by pressing and holding the third button down for 3 seconds. It then gives you the option to adjust the time in 30-minute increments. For example, if you were to go to bed at 10 o'clock in the evening and you wanted the heating to come back on at 6 o'clock in the morning, set your timer for 8 hours and press the OK. The temperature will then follow the setback temperature for 8 hours and at the end of the time revert back to the comfort. If you wish to override, simply press the third button down and it goes back to the comfort temperature.